Dear friends, welcome to our channel. Now we will know about meaning of biology and branches of biology. Biology is a branch of science that deals with the living organism and their vital processes. The word biology is formed by combining the two Greek words bios means life and logy means science of or knowledge of. The term biology in its modern sense appears to have been introduced independently by the scientist Thomas Beddoes in the year 1799, Carl Friedrich Burek in the year 1800, and another scientist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck in the year 1802. Father of biology. Aristotle revealed his thoughts about various aspects of life of plants and animals. Therefore, Aristotle is called as a father of biology. Branches of biology. The scope of biology is broad and therefore contains many branches and subdisciplines. Biologists may pursue one of those subdisciplines and work in a more focused field. For instance, molecular biology and biochemistry study biological processes at the molecular and chemical level, including interactions among molecules such as DNA, RNA, and proteins, as well as the way they are regulated. Microbiology, the study of microorganisms, is the study of the structure and functions of single cell organisms. It is quite a broad branch itself, and depending on the subject of study, there are also microbial physiologists, ecologists, and among others. Botany. Botany, branch of biology that deals with the study of plants, including their structure, properties, and biochemical processes. Zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology that deals with the animals, including the structure, embryology, evolution, classification. Microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, those being unicellular, multicellular, or acellular. Example: bacteria, virus, protozoans, algae. Bacteriology. Bacteriology is the branch and a specialty of a biology that studies the morphology, ecology, genetics, and biochemistry of bacteria, as well as many other aspects related to them. Virology. Virology is the study of various submicroscopic parasitic particles of genetic material contained in a protein coat and virus-like agents. Morphology. It is the study of external form, size, shape, color, structure, and relative positions of various living organs of living beings. Anatomy. It is the study of internal structure which can be observed with the unaided eye after dissection. Histology. It is the study of tissue organization and structure as observed through the light microscope. Cytology. It is the study of form and structure of cells, including the behavior of a nucleus and other organelles. Taxonomy. The branch of science which deals with the study of classification of organisms. Ecology. Study of relation between organism and environment. Genetics. It is the study of inheritance of characters or heredity and variations. Heredity is the study of expression and transmission of traits from parents to offspring. Embryology. Embryology, the study of the formation and development of an embryo and fetus. Biotechnology. Use of biological organisms in commercial process for producing fine chemicals such as drugs, vaccines, and hormones, etc., on a large scale and at a reasonable cost. Biophysics. Biophysics is the study of physical phenomena and physical processes in living things on scales spanning molecules, cells, tissue, and organisms. Biophysicists use the principles and methods of physics to understand biological systems. Cardiology. Cardiology is the study and treatment of a disorder of the heart and the blood vessels. A person with a heart disease or cardiovascular disease may be referred to a cardiologist. Cardiology is a branch of internal medicine. Entomology. Entomology is the study of insects. Entomology is crucial to our understanding of human diseases, agriculture, evolution, ecology, and biodiversity. Ornithology. Ornithology is a branch of zoology that concerns the methodological study and consequent knowledge of birds with all that relates to them. Pathology. Pathology is the study of the causes and effects of disease or injury. The word pathology also refers to the study of disease in general, incorporating a wide range of bioscience research fields and medical practices.